From broken Windows update, corrupted system files, driver issues, and random OS instability to Windows settings that stopped working, what you can do is go to Google, type in Microsoft Windows 11 installation media. Click the Download Windows 11 link from the official Microsoft website. After then, you'll be prompted to this page. You can either download Windows 11 Installation Assistant or Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. While the Assistant installation is much more simpler and can help you properly update your PC without losing data within your environment, the ISO installer, however, is much more advanced and it lets you pick what you want to keep, discard, and how you want the entire process to behave. If you're simply looking to updating and cleaning out your PC without much hassle and keeping your data, I'd pick the Assistant installer. Before installing any one of these options, be sure to read the requirement disclaimer below each option to get an understanding of if your PC supports it. After you've opened the installer wizard for the Assistant and pressed accept and install to the terms, you should see an installation process immediately begin installing in step 1 out of 3. Don't worry, this is completely normal, and if your PC meets the required specs, it should download and install the entire process without any interruptions. In case you're wondering, you won't be prompted to keep or delete all of your files, as the Assistant installer wizard will automatically keep your files and apps without having to ask explicit permission. But if you chose to download Windows 11 ISO image, whether that's for you or a friend's PC, then during the entire process, you'll be asked whether you want to keep or delete all of your files and apps beforehand. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments if it worked for you, and don't forget to shoot that subscribe button and like.